I've watched many tutorials on YouTube in which people will tell you a way to play Roblox without downloading it, but all of these websites that they suggest you are not either safe or they don't work. So in this video, I'll tell you a quick way to play Roblox without even downloading it, and I'm on my mobile, but this trick works also for your PC or laptop. So what you have to do is you have to open up Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use, and after that go to Google and search here play Roblox online and hit the search button. Now the best website which will be compatible with Roblox will appear up. For example, in my case, this is the website which is appearing at the top, which says free Roblox games. You can also take a look at its URL. So you gotta hop into that. And here you just have to log in your account, and you can see that all of the famous and unfamous Roblox games have been uploaded here. For example, if I want to play the Squid Escape, just tap onto that and simply tap on this play now button. It will ask you for a login and you can start playing Roblox here in this way. If you want to search a specific game, you can go into this search button available at the top. So simply tap on search and you can search for any game like this one here. And here is Steel Brain Rot Online. So that's how you play Roblox without even downloading it. Thank you so much.